vacuum pump. It's not like a vacuum cleaner, but it creates a lot of suction like a vacuum cleaner. How many of you put your hands on a vacuum cleaner? What happens? Does it suck your hand? Same thing would happen to this. If I had this turned on and you put your finger there, it'd suck it right in there, okay? No, it wouldn't break your finger off. And inside this, there's another lining, and there's air that moves that inner lining in and out like this. So it sucks and squeezes. Sucks and squeezes, just like a baby calf would if it was nursing its mother. I always said whoever invented the milking machine had to be a flippin' genius. It comes from the place where we're milking the cows, through those lines, it comes into that. There's a sensor in there so that when it gets so full, it pumps the milk up and into this tank.
Hello. You can milk mustache at the dairy. And a bracelet. So cool. Did you have fun? Yeah? Do a little dance.